Okay, complexometric titration helps to determination for hardness of water, different organic reagent, change in absorbance, measuring the current which passes through the titration. Complexometric titration, often using EDTA as a complexing agent, is widely and standardly used for the determination of metal ions, most notably for establishing calcium and magnesium ions responsible for hardness of water. The other options described above application or measurement of techniques belonging to different analytical domains such as spectrophotometry for observance or amperometry polarizography for current measurements. So complexometric titration helps determination for hardness of water.